Oh, those lights up here. That's pretty cool looking. Yeah. What am I doing? I don't know. You know what? These are the escalators at JCPenney in Southern Park Mall, Boardman, Youngstown, Ohio. Yes, I said Ohio. I'm out of the state of Pennsylvania. Unfortunately, these were replaced by KONE. What is atrium? I don't know if I like... This looks kind of similar to the one at Mill Creek Mall, but it's slightly a little older. Probably by a year or two. You know, why not get a video of it, you know? See, KONE. Probably they used to be obviously Haughton originally. The lights up there are pretty cool looking. Well, this one definitely received a bigger remodel than the one at Mill Creek. Like new lights and all that. But still pretty much the rest of it still looks the same, such as those lights there. Okay. This is something, you know. I mean, seriously. Look how these are like. Apparently this mall is also owned by the same company that owns Mill Creek Mall. Okay. So I guess that'll be it.